Welcome to Full Stack Developer course with Django and React. In this course, we're going to build up a complete e-commerce application along with payment gateway. We'll be using Django at the backend and we'll be using React at the front end. In current world, Python and JavaScript are the two of the most powerful programming language, and we're bringing them together in this course. Hi, my name is Hitesh and I've been writing code for almost a decade now. With over 500,000 people watching my content on a regular basis on YouTube and over 1 million people who are registered on multiple websites globally are consuming my content. So you are in a good hand in learning the tech. My specialty is to turn the toughest topic in the easiest one so that learning becomes fun and you're going to enjoy every single bit of this course. This course is going to be a little bit different from my other courses and is going to be revolved around building one gigantic project. We'll start by analyzing what are the client requirements in this course, and we'll move forward by choosing Django at the backend and React at the front end. In the backend, the admin will get its own unique login, and through that admin panel, he will be able to add categories for the t-shirt. This entire project is going to be a t-shirt selling store along with payment gateway. Once the user or the admin gets that category for the t-shirts, he will be able to add products, handling all the data types there, numbers, strings, images, and everything. After that, admin will also be able to see all the orders that are being placed by the users. Admin will also be able to get all the information and the custom information from the users that are signing up on his website. On the back end, we'll be creating the REST API so that things can be scalable in the future. And of course, we will be using the latest modern Django 3 to perform all of this. On the front-end side, we're going to be using React. All the modern things in React, like hooks, are going to be used in this course. On the front-end side, user will be able to sign up and sign in. Once the user sign in through their own custom panel, then they will be able to add products into the cart. From the cart, they can add their credit card detail and can check out from there. A full-fledged payment integration is obviously going to be required here, and we'll be doing the same. This course is very comprehensive, but I don't expect you to have prior knowledge of Django or prior knowledge of React. But I do expect that you are having basic knowledge in Python as well as in JavaScript. You should be able to write basic functions and basic loops in both Python as well as JavaScript. Apart from that, no prior knowledge is expected for this course. This course is going to be a unique experience for you to bring your Python as well as JavaScript skills onto the next level. Handling Django, REST API, React, payment gateway is going to be really amazing for your resume as well as for your skills. We're going to have so much fun in this course, and the best part about this course, I haven't edited out any of the bugs that we have faced during building of this project. Together, we're going to both walk through with the process of hunting the bugs and resolving them. That's the best part of this course. I am all excited to get started with you in this course. Make sure you check out the description, watch out some of the free previews, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna catch up inside the course. And yes, one more thing, all the code files are already included both for front end and back end. That's not even a question to ask, it's included.